Alright, I apologize for the quality of the camera. I think I put too much lighting, so it makes everything look glowy. I apologize for that. But today I'm going to be looking at the Logitech G502 Proteus Spectrum gaming mouse from Logitech, obviously. So let's look at the box. It says what's in the box. It has a mouse, obviously, tuning weights and case, and user documentation. And then it also says what I need, which is the USB port, so your computer must have a USB port, internet connection for optional software, so that's pretty much where you could program your buttons, and obviously you need to have Windows 7 and up. Let's look at the back. It has this palette because it wants to show that it has RGB. It has 11 programmable buttons and controls, including DPI shift, customizable lighting from a palette of 16.8 million colors. So there you go for the RGB fans out there. And you could add up to 3.6G weights for personalized mass and balance. So that's pretty much what's showing you there, the weights. And then right here down at the bottom it says 5 on-the-fly adjustable DPI settings from 200 to 12,000. It has a hyper fast scroll wheel, which is true, I'll show you that right now, and 3 onboard profiles. Also a durable braided cable, which also is true. And this is pretty much the technical side. It shows the 200 to 12,000 DPI, max acceleration, the max speed, the data format, the report rate, the durability, which right here it says 20 million clicks, so that's pretty good actually. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up slowly but surely because I don't know, I'm just weird, but I like to collect the boxes that the products come in. I don't know why. So straight out the box, obviously the mouse and 2 small papers, and that's pretty much it. The first little paper, the little slip, it shows you how you can put on the weights for the mouse, and then the other side it shows you the link to where you could get the program and the software for the mouse. And then this is just like security or health safety warnings, I guess, standard stuff. And obviously the mouse here, take the plastic out and boom, you pretty much have your mouse. There's nothing in the bag, just the braided cable. Once you take this guy out, you're gonna see a small case. Now I'm pretty sure you guys know what this is. This is pretty much the case where the weights go in. Now I already put the weights on the mouse, so they're not gonna be in the case, but I just want to show you guys everything, you know, because this is like a unboxing and a review kind of. Bam, small little case, nice case, and here you go. Here's the mouse. This part I like. This is the hyper fast scroll wheel, so as you can see, it doesn't stop when you scroll. However, if you click that button right next to it, it's gonna have this like rigid part, or it's gonna become hard pretty much, and there's gonna be clicks every time you scroll, whereas this one there's no clicks, it just goes on forever. Alright, so here's the braided cable. Very sturdy and very durable. Feels like it, and also very long actually. It's pretty good. So this part's the magnetic part. It's pretty much the thumb rest. Just take it off. You could take it off easily without any trouble or damage to the mouse, and boom, here are the weights. I had to put all the weights because I needed that extra weight. I did not like it when it came out. When I first used it without the weights, it was too light for me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a very nice, simple, sleek design. I really like it. Smooth to the touch, and some good RGB. Now let me show you how the program is and how it works. Alright, so this is the home page of the gaming software for this mouse. It shows the mouse and you're able to switch the profiles to either your mouse or the computer. Now let's go to the next tab. This is pretty much the main focus of the software. It has 3 profiles. It shows you all the buttons of the mouse, and you can individually click on the buttons and change them to your liking. And also at the bottom right corner, you have all the DPI settings that you need / want, plus more. And the third profile is a bit special because it has the G shift, which means you could actually do shortcuts on the mouse. So this is pretty good. The G shift button is pretty much your aim button for typical gaming scenarios, but for other practices such as like Photoshop, the web, or video editing, you can make shortcuts to include cut, copy, paste, make a new tab, close all the tabs, and all that goodness. Alright, on to the next tab. We have the RGB tab settings. Pretty much that's what it is. You can customize every profile to a different color, so you know which profile you're on in. And just like the box said, it has so many colors. You can actually put in the code for the RGB to get a specific color that you want, which is pretty dope. There's also settings for it, such as breathing effect or cycle through all the colors. Do you want the logo to just light up, or do you want the DPI settings to just glow? Do you want it to breathe, like I just said? Do you want to put it to sleep? Or in some scenarios, do you want the RGB to be bright or lower? I have it all the way up. Or do you want the rate to go fast? So for the cycling and the breathing, do you want it to breathe super fast or cycle through all the colors fast, or do you want it to go slow? Alright, so here you can actually change the settings for your mouse pad. If you have some type of mouse pad from Logitech, you can actually change it right here, and so it'll better fit your mouse, which is pretty cool. Alright, last tab here is the key pressing map. So you can see how many times you pressed a button, if they're working and whatnot. This is like a small test. It says here, shows which keys you press the most. So right now I'm just clicking whatever, and then I'm stopping. So as you can see, the red means that I've clicked it many times, and then the blue means I clicked it not so many times. It actually shows you how many times you've done it. So that's pretty cool. And then these small tabs are just extra stuff that you could do, like start up the program once your computer starts, and some other technical stuff. Let me just show you that real quick. This is the share button to share their products and whatnot. And also the question mark is pretty much to get more help on the interwebs. I'm not connected to the internet, so that's why that shows up, but trust me, it does work. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and hope this was helpful. Please leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe. Peace.